Hello, today I'm walking you through one of the most important privacy tools on your smartphone, the privacy dashboard. So if you ever wondered which apps are accessing your camera, microphone, location, or personal data, this is where you check it. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I'll also show you how to do this on other Androids and iPhones. So Privacy dashboard gives you a timeline of what apps use your sensitive permission in the last 24 hours. Things like your camera, microphone, location, contacts, and more. So if an app is doing something suspicious, this is where you will see it fast. So on Samsung S25 Ultra, you go to settings and you tap security and privacy, security and privacy here, and you select security, the privacy dashboard, which is this is the security, the privacy dashboard. So tap this arrow and it opens here, and you will see charts showing which permissions were accessed below. Okay, and below that is a list. So for example, I can tap the camera. If I tap the camera here, right, it shows every app that used my camera recently, including the exact time, time. So if something doesn't look right, I'll tap the permission settings and then remove permission, or maybe set it to ask every time. Yeah, so if I click on this WhatsApp, if I click this WhatsApp, and yeah, I can either set it to allow only while using this app, or ask every time, or don't allow. So let's say you installed a new app that shouldn't need your microphone. If it shows up here, that's a red flag. Or maybe your battery has been draining. Sometimes a background location hungry app is the cause, so the dashboard reveals it immediately. Okay, so if you have like a now if you have like Google Pixel, Motorola, Nokia, you go to settings and you go to privacy and you select the privacy dashboard. It's same process, and you choose your permission and you check the timeline and you adjust access. Okay, for Infinix, Tecno, and itel, you go to settings and you go to privacy and you select permission manager. Look for access history or privacy dashboard depending on the model. So these brands sometimes rename it, but the function is the same. OnePlus, Oppo, and Realme, the other phones. All right, you go to settings and you go to privacy dashboards. They all support permission history the same way as Samsung. Now for iPhone doesn't call it privacy dashboard, but it has the same feature called app privacy reports. So to access that, you go to settings and you tap the privacy and security and you select app privacy reports. You turn it on if it's off, and you will see which apps use your camera or microphone, which apps access your location, which websites they contacted in the background. It gives you the same visibility Android users get. So why do you need this? This dashboard protects you against apps secretly using your camera, apps listening through your mic, apps tracking your location, excess battery drain, data harvesting apps, suspicious background activity. So everyone should check this regularly. So now you know exactly where to find your privacy dashboard and how to use it on Samsung, other Android phones, and even iPhone. Make sure you check yours at least once a week to stay safe.